What is EVM and how does it work? The EVM is Ethereum Virtual Machine, which is a runtime environment that runs smart contracts on the Ethereum network. It is a software environment that executes code written in Solidity or other programming languages used to create smart contracts on Ethereum. The EVM is a crucial part of the Ethereum ecosystem, as it enables developers to write and deploy decentralized applications, DApps, that run on the Ethereum blockchain. DApps are programs that run on a decentralized network of computers, making them resistant to censorship and manipulation. The EVM is a Turing-complete virtual machine, which means it is capable of executing any algorithm or program that can be expressed in code. It is a deterministic machine, meaning that it will always produce the same output for a given input. This makes the EVM highly secure, as it allows for the creation of smart contracts that can be audited and verified before deployment. The EVM works by interpreting bytecode, which is the compiled form of smart contract code. When a user initiates a transaction on the Ethereum network that involves a smart contract, the EVM executes the bytecode of that smart contract on all nodes in the network. Once the code has been executed, the results of the contract's execution are stored on the blockchain, making them immutable and transparent. Overall, the EVM plays a critical role in the functioning of the Ethereum network, providing a secure and reliable way for developers to create and deploy decentralized applications.